Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hi family, today I will be showing you how to make 3 table mats and napkins out of 1 table runner. Okay, so supplies you would need are 1 table runner and 1 diamond wrap. Now for my Mother's Day Tablescape Challenge, I need 6 table mats. So I bought 3 table runners. 2 of them will be for my table mats and the other one I will be putting across my table. If you have not gone over and signed up for my Mother's Day Tablescape Challenge, please go over and do it right now. We're going to have so much fun and there will be a drawing on May the 12th. Good luck. Okay, I'll be using my charger that I made from my previous video. Please go over and watch that video. I made 6 different chargers. They are so beautiful. Go and watch them. Now, I'm going to use this charger so that I can measure out my mats. Okay, this table runner is pretty long. 12 inches by 72 inches. Okay, I'm going to take my diamond wrap and I'm going to measure it from top to the bottom and cut it out. Okay, now I'm going to measure 2 rolls of my diamond wrap and then I'm going to cut that out. Okay, I'm going to use this mat to make the other 2 mats. So I'm using this as my template. actually get 4 table mats out of this table runner, but I want to make some napkins, so I'm just going to make 3 table mats. Okay, I'm gonna iron all 3 mats because I don't like these wrinkles, okay? I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna add my diamond wrap on it. Okay, I'm finished making all 3 mats. Now I'm gonna make some table napkins.
Treat so special.
Okay, I'm finished, and here is my final look. Here's my placemat.